So raise your hands if you've ever designed something that looked so good on paper, but after you showed it to the clients just shrugged. Yeah, me too. I've been there. But here's what I've learned. Great design is not just about it looking so good. It's about the story it tells. Because when people connect emotionally, they stop just seeing a design. They start feeling it. Think about your favorite building or brands. They are not just beautiful for being beautiful sake. They have a background story that you resonate to. As designers, we don't just design to solve problems. Designing is much more emotional. It shows people what you truly care about, how you want them to feel, how you want them to move, how you want them to live. You do all of these things without saying a single word. To me personally, a design without a story is just a decoration. That is why I strongly believe that whenever we design, we should tie a story around our form, layout, and even our material choices, because these are what gives the design meaning, and it's the meaning that sticks, and that's what sells the design. So how do you do it? How are you able to attach a story to your design? Easy. You ask yourself simple questions. You ask yourself human questions. Before you take your pen to draw a line, you have to ask yourself, who is going to live here? How do I want these clients to feel as soon as they walk into the lobby, as soon as they walk into the living room, as soon as they sit by their bedside? What kind of emotion am I trying to evoke? What journey am I trying to take these people on? You ask yourself these questions. So let's be practical. You're designing a home for a client, and you would ask, how do I want this space to feel like? I want this space to carry togetherness. I want this space to be warm. I want people to walk in this space and feel at home. Or maybe let's say you're designing an office building. The story here is collaboration. The story here is brainstorming, togetherness. People come together, share ideas. People come together, they share ideas. This alone, togetherness, means an open zone, creative corners, transparency among the spaces. So when you present a design to your client, don't just show what it is. Show why it matters. A developer does not just want apartments. They want vibrant communities. That's the story. A homeowner does not just want a house. They want what? A family memories. That's your story. Our job as designers is to make them see, to make them feel the story as we propose to them. As architects and designers, we design to solve problems. But great designs communicate values without saying a word. It guides people, sets the moods, and tells people what matters. Let this be the story that guides you in designing. Before you take your pen to start sketching and designing, write a sentence that serves as the emotional core of the project, and let this sentence guide you throughout the designing phase of the entire project. Every direction, layout, material choices would be guided by this sentence, and you design to support this sentence. So, in summary, why does great design need storytelling? Because it transforms a space from mere functionality into an experience that connects emotionally and meaningfully with its users. Thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe. And as always, I hope I've inspired you today. Peace out.